Hi, you're all welcome back again to Titi's Garden. Thank you for tuning in today, and I'll be sharing with you how I turned my garden from in-ground to raised bed. Thank you for watching. Remember to subscribe to my channel if this happens to be your first time, and remember to press the bell button for more notification. Thank you, and stay tuned. And just to let you know, all these plants, I started them from seed indoors. I started some in March. I started most of them, the peppers in February. All the other the herbs were started late March and April. Continue to watch. This is the front part of it. I hope you do enjoy. Now, the reason why I actually changed my garden, it was in ground last year to this, was simply because my garden is slopey. So all the rainwater comes directly to my garden and it's waterlogged and washes away most of the soil. So this year I just decided to do this. I want to see the difference from last year to this year. Thank you and stay blessed.